In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable the full screen mode in the Google Chrome web browser on your PC. Let's start with what full screen actually does. When you turn on full screen in Chrome, the browser expands to fill your entire monitor. The address bar, tabs, bookmarks bar, and even the taskbar at the bottom of Windows are all hidden. This gives you more space to view a website, watch videos, or present something without distractions. The nice part is that it's very quick to turn on and off, as long as you know the shortcuts. First, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your PC and that a web page is loaded. It can be any site at all. The steps are the same. Now, to enable full screen, the easiest way is to use your keyboard. On Windows, press the F11 key once. As soon as you do, Chrome will jump into full screen mode. You'll notice the top bar with your tabs and the address bar disappears, and your content stretches from edge to edge. If your keyboard doesn't have a dedicated F11 key, or you're using a compact laptop keyboard, you might need to hold the function key, usually labeled FN, and then press F11. So that's FN plus F11 together. This depends on your keyboard layout, but the behavior in Chrome is exactly the same. Now that you're in full screen, you might be wondering how to get your tabs and address bar back. To disable full screen mode, simply press F11 again. Think of it like a toggle. F11 turns full screen on, and pressing it again turns it off. If you used FN plus F11 to enable it, use the same combination to disable it. After that, everything returns to normal, with your tabs, address bar, and taskbar visible again. There's another small tip that can help while you're in full screen. If you move your mouse cursor to the very top edge of the screen and pause for a moment, Chrome may temporarily show the address bar and some controls. This can be handy if you want to quickly change the URL or check which tab you're on without fully exiting full screen. To recap in a simple way, open Chrome, press F11 to go into full screen, and press F11 again to come back out. Once you get used to this shortcut, switching between regular and full screen browsing becomes second nature.